Hi, my name is Shivani Gupta and I'm mother of Arnav Gupta. As a parent, I am extremely happy to see my child growing each day. Academics is one part of school life, but there are many other aspects also which helps children in the overall development. DPS gives that platform to all the children, whether it is sports, non sporting activity, public speaking, factory visits, show and tell, and whatnot. My child participates in so many different activities. He has no stage fear now. He can face audience very well. He has become a spontaneous speaker and he is a wonderful orator now. I think all these things are very much necessary for a child's overall development. I would like to thank all the teachers and management of DPS who are constantly working hard for the betterment of school and the children. I thank on behalf of all the parents to DPS. Thank you.